Come cute. I'm cute, huh? I'm so beautiful. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So guys, today I'm doing a never have I ever game with my sister. Hi. So I have the questions written down on this paper. So oh my god. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm going to ask the questions. Never have I ever. So if you have, we are going to say I have, and if you have not, you say never. Yes, so that is how the game goes. Okay, are you ready? First question. Never have I ever broken something for my mom and didn't tell her. I have. Oh, you mean? I have. Yes. And you know that she a go cuss, so we know about that tell her nothing. Yeah, of course.
Yes. Maybe I broke a few cups.
Okay. Never have I ever snuck out to hang out with my crush.
Never have no crush, no.
I have.
Oh,
you mean?
Boyfriend do.
Same thing basically.
Never that crush pan we did
Oh my god, so you don't classify it as a crush? Uno did they? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, I have. Long time ago. Never have I ever said I love you without meaning it. I have.
I try not to do it.
I try not to do
for someone to tell me they love me without actually meaning it. But I think I have.
I try not to do it, but sometimes guys might ask, you love me? Or sometimes they are saying I love you, and
when you say love
you might reach to a little point when you just say I love you too. Never?
I can't remember doing it once.
So you have then.
I guess I have.
Never have I ever forgot my kid's date of birth.
All the time.
I have, yes.
Sometimes I have to say, share how much again? And then we check back.
Me tell them go to doctor sometimes you say, how much of them was them born again? Man, I remember more time.
Well, I forgot the year. I forgot the month and the day. But I always forget the year.
Forget all of them. The year, the month, me don't forget the day. The year or the month.
Forget the month.
Forget the month sometime. Alright. Never have I ever been awake for 24 hours.
I have. Definitely, it wasn't a good experience.
I have not
I have.
been awake for 24
Lauren
hours.
did it.
24 hours meaning like no sleep,
No
none
sleep
at
at
all.
all. No sleep at all. Wake up one morning, do whatever. Then the night Lauren did not, she was like about 2 months old. Lauren did not sleep the entire night. She went to bed like 10 o'clock the day after. And then I had so much stuff to do during that day, I didn't have time to sleep. And by the
You
time
didn't fall
I'm ready
asleep,
to
no
sleep,
time at all in the
I
night.
can't remember falling asleep. I was up like hushing baby all night.
Yeah. I have never, no, sir, 24 hours, maybe 15 hours, 20 hours, but things like it. Nothing 24 hours.
I can't remember falling asleep at all for 2 days.
Alright. Never have I ever crashed a car.
I feel like you are too much for crashing.
I have crashed a car. Not really a bad accident crash, but like hit the car.
Weird.
The man reveal a reverse one day.
Never smell your body.
When I was driving the Tida and I was reversing to park, and it's like I was paying attention to one side more than the next side, and the side that I wasn't paying attention to hit the wall behind me, and I had to call my brother and ask him to come and fix it because I didn't want the owner to know that I hit his car.
Oh, so
I
never know.
I don't, he doesn't know up until this
He might
point.
not find out.
That's why I have to love my brother, so you know. Oh
Kevin.
my God, yes man. The man come and take the car and bring it, go fix it, man. What do you mean? Love my brother bad.
No, brother, I have to hear about that. I love my brother. But no, I love him.
No, I love all of them, but the brother is special to me. See me? Alright. Okay. This one is kind of nice. Never have I ever been dumped. I have been dumped once. Teenage.
Can't recall.
When I was a teenager. Alright, let me tell you this story now. I was in primary. It was my first boyfriend. We had talk and we hide and we go around a school back but talk and all of them go something. Like I can't video you talk to. Okay, so we used to go around at the school back go hide and talk. I don't know why we used to do that because we just going around there to talk. I don't know why we felt that it was wrong to do it and we were hiding.
What's wrong? When you get time
So we used to do that all the time, but not all the time, but sometimes we used to go around at the school back but chat and whatever. So that was grade 6. So when we reached to grade 7 now, me write letter go send go give boy. Boy, me hear say boy tear up the letter, something like that, you know. And me I say, oh, boy reach a high school now, boy frightened. You see whole heap of girl now, so you know but I want this a little one here again. So that was that. And then through high school, boy still come to me same way, you know. Like me same way. Oh God, alright. Never have I ever lied in an interview. I have never. Me either.
So, I guess I'm gonna get up.
You have never lied in an interview? You have been in interviews. So you never lied in any of them? I've never really been in interviews. So I have not.
I want to be like someday.
Not my entire life. Most of my life. Okay. Never have I ever been robbed.
Yes, boy, scam me.
Never.
Me clocks money a Mandeville one time. True story. We haven't got going emotional.
Oh my God. Tell this story, man. Alright, so you don't want to tell the story of how you have been robbed. Okay then.
More like scam.
So let's move on to the next one. Never have I ever burned my mouth because I was too hungry to wait. I have. You're hungry.
As today, me I eat the dumpling and you know like me away for like a week. And me I eat the dumpling nice no man.
And you burn up your mouth.
But he bought me in my mouth.
Oh God. Yeah man, sometimes you're hungry. And you have cool food and you know, cool food and you just have to push in your mouth, man.
And when you eat juicy beef patty,
Yes. And you want the
you know,
patty
but your
well
mouth,
hot,
you
you
know,
know.
nice.
True. You want the patty well hot, so burn off your tongue sometime, and I know some black spot there on my tongue. Most food burn me. Them say a food burn up your tongue when time you have the black spots on your tongue. So I guess. Never have I ever gotten lost while I was drunk. Never. Me absence when me drunk.
Me yard. You know, I'm a drunk in frost. Me drunk. My food time, but me drunk like I'm a yard. And me have good people to carry me home. Me not go by myself, so me not get lost.
So me kind of stagger sometimes when me drunk, so I'm not drunk that. But me still know what I want, me can't last.
When you come past me yard, I go sleep. I won't call any names.
Oh God, I remember that. Alright, never have I ever cheated on an exam. Have I cheated on an exam?
Cheat by exam.
I don't practice to cheat on exams or games or things like that, you know.
I have.
I have not.
I know big cheat.
I have not. Hey, I have not. Let me read some of the me spot some of the things then before the exam. Like right after the exam, you know.
Sometimes you have so much exam, I mean, I remember so simple as or something, I mean, when we're gonna examine, I remember some of them, something, I write them, one piece of paper, I write them in my hand makeup.
Okay, I don't remember. I don't know. Maybe. Baby. Oh Lord. Never have I ever kissed two boys in one night. I have not.
Okay, I have not. I have not, seriously.
Okay then. Okay. Never have I ever had a one night stand. I have. What you call a one night stand? Well, I would say you. How would I define one night stand?
You just say you have, so
Yeah,
what
but
was the situation
maybe.
with that person?
Alright, the situation was it was not like I met the person this night and then we had a one night and I've known the person for a while, but that night it happened and it never happened again. It happened once and it never happened again, so me don't know, me never know. Maybe not. I've never gone out and just met someone and have a one night stand.
That is a one night stand when you go out and you meet someone and you have sex with them and
No, not that way.
I have not. A good girl,
Hats off to you, good girl. Alright. Never have I ever dated two guys at once.
Well, if the one they do later.
It is either never or I have.
I have.
Which
with
is
some,
it? You have
I mean, just did I say me a good girl a while ago?
dated two guys at once? I have.
It's complicated.
It is not complicated.
Okay, I have. Fine.
Yes, I have. Maybe more than once.
I won't go any further with my I have. I'm just gonna leave it.
Okay, guys, that is it for Never Have I Ever with my little sister. I am the little one, but the older one. Who looks,
Actually, I look like the same age.
who
Because
looks
I'm
younger?
searching.
Who looks younger?
Really? We want to go there?
Older sister or younger sister? Bigger sister or smaller sister?
It doesn't matter to me anyway.
What you think? Alright guys, please remember to hit your subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out.